If you're working between 8 to 5, make sure by 5 to 9, this is your preparation area.
Coach, paano ko po babalansein yung pagiging practical, which is yung stable job niya, at yung desire ko na gawin yung gusto ko talaga in life?
Ang ganda niyan. Okay, again, number 1, kung may job ka and this job is giving you the pay, always be grateful with this job. Show up with a lot of gratitude and gladness. Number 2, give your best. Kasi sinisweldohan ka, okay? But number 3, prepare yourself to the new opportunity that you want. So which means, if you're working between 8 to 5, make sure by 5 to 9, this is your preparation area. That means, mag-aral ka, magpa-mentor ka, galingan mo, simulan mo, because pag ready ka na to move into this opportunity, konti na lang yung adjustment mo, kasi sa totoo lang, lahat ng oportunidad, sigurado akong magiging blessing yan when you show up to this opportunity. No if, no but, you're grateful. That's the energy you're putting out. No if, no but, you're gonna push, giving your best. But above all, your come from here is because I'm growing.